like a 1-inch gap. You're a dipshit, what? That's all I heard is I'm a dipshit.
I did not say I was a dipshit.
What'd you say?
Totally missed.
You totally missed, but yeah, something got wrong. So I'm done. Recorded me putting all the glass on it. I do like the polyester stuff better. But get all the glass on it. Get all the layers. Make it all nice in one piece again. Then I realized that the camera's facing the floor. So I recorded a whole bunch of prepping. Like, I don't know, pre-impregnating maybe is what you call it. And nothing about getting it up in there. So, yeah. But it's solid one piece. I'm leaving it on there right now because I need to pull out this lower spot here to the, because I know the fender, I can look down the fender and see that it's really straight, decently close. Way better than where that like inch thick of Bondo was. But I can fix that. I can get to it from the back side. So I'm going to get to it from the back side, hammer and dolly it, get it out to where it needs to be, or hammer it at first. Get it to where it needs to be, and then we'll pull this fender off because we have to do the body work on the fender prior to filling in this hole and chopping this piece off. Because I don't know exactly where they're going to sit until, you know, I get it all off. So that's what the goal is going to be, is get that piece out and then get the fender off, body work everything, and start. We'll see where we can get, but hopefully maybe I'll get to start to tack welding or get some of the metal cut or something. myself on fire. Couple things I would like to discuss. Now, I was told I was doing the way I did on the other side in 3 pieces, doing that I need to use a, now that I just drew a blank, hexagon. I had to look it up. I haven't been in school in forever, so bear with me, that's what Google's for. Because like nature uses it, so 6-part, 5-part, whatever. But the point is split it up into more pieces. A, it makes it more manageable, and B, it'll go together better. And it is. I'm not having the problem that when you follow that curve, it's trying to warp off and trying to beat it back into place. I'm not having any of those issues. You know, the piece goes on there just fine. Now, you saw me have the fender flare on there. The reason I had the fender flare on there is because I need that side and this side to be in perfect position for that fender flare. Now, I will have to go back and body work the low spot, that is the lower quarter, because it was originally like that low and just full of filler. If you remember right, old episode, I burned out all that filler and then just pushed my hand on it and most of it came out, most of the dent. But I needed that fender exactly where it needed to be so that I can get up in there and I can really body work it and get it into place where the front and the rear is straight, of the quarter is nice and straight. I'm still body working. There's a little section right here where the door shuts and it's all wonky like that side. I don't know how you do that. This car has really weird impacts. It's got one on each side, so they ran it through a fence or something. No clue. But it's working out real well, and I will be doing this side with the MIG. I don't know which MIG. I'm going to start with this one. If I can finish it tonight, it'll be fine. But it needs to go back to Cody, so I'll probably buy one just because there is a lot of dirty welding I need to do on this car. I mean, a lot. And this thing is awesome. Awesome, awesome. I don't have to clean crap. Now, yes, I get away the excess, like any flake or anything like that. I do wire wheel everything, or a wire brush, and then go through and do it. But I can't get to the back side, and that was the problem on the other side. Trying to get to the back side, it was a pain in the butt. It was horrible. Part of it worked out great. The other part worked out horrible. And it took forever. And then I screwed it up. But that was my fault. That wasn't Tig's fault. So I think I'm going to buy one of these. Now, I don't think you can get the 90 amp anymore. I think it starts out at what, like 110 or 120 amp. I'll be buying one of those. As for now, I'm going to keep cracking at it and we can see how far we can get. Because it is like almost 4 o'clock in the morning. I just wish one damn panel on this car was straight. Seriously. One. Just one. Well, the roof was really good. The rest of this car is just effed, and it's getting really annoying. It's not that big of a deal, I know. It's what short strand is for. I was just hoping for something a little different. No biggie. The panel's ready to go. It's gonna need some short strand. I knew it would need a little bit. It's gonna need a little bit more than I wanted. I'm not happy about that, but it's fine. MIGging it was so much nicer. Although I found out it's a lot harder to control the heat. Well, I knew it would be. It just, I found out how much harder it is to control the heat in it. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. I'm happy-ish enough. I'm happy enough with the way it turned out. That I gotta say, MIGging it was a lot better. The tigging stuff was a pain in the butt. And I didn't even have to TIG all the inside. I just tacked the inside on that other one. And said, I'll do it all when I go to fix the wheel well. I mean, the subframe and everything, get out of here. And we go to put the new one in. But, yeah. Oh, yes! Ha! Tomorrow I go pick up the LS6 cam for it. Patience is a virtue. I guess I'll find out tomorrow all the details, or the info, whatever. The guy posted it on Facebook Marketplace, and I was like, hey, you got that? And he shot me a price, and it's a price I cannot refuse. So, yeah, I'm happy. I'm hoping he has more of the LS6 stuff I need, but I doubt I don't know. I'll probably just buy all brand new. But the cam was something that's like $450 brand new, and I really didn't want to jump into that if I can find a cam that's got like no wear on it. So I'm gonna go look at it tomorrow. Hopefully that'll turn out good. Update on the 1K subscriber giveaway. Remember, all the couples therapy videos, every time you comment, first comment, unique comment per video. Let's put it that way. Unique commenter per video, and subscribed, you're entered to win. Now, I've been fighting, well, first it was one designer, and then two. I am bringing you my stupid design. It's not stupid, I like it. It's not fleshed out completely, but it's like, hey, how much would something like this be? I just need 3 of them. One of them tells me he can't do it, then says he can do it if he raises the price. So which one is it? Why don't you just tell me it's a lot harder to do than you thought because the design's more complicated, but it's just weed time. It's not that bad. I'll come down and weed it for you. I've done the t-shirts before. You know, the blue Midwest shirt that has the crown on it. That's over a year old because I had the blue wheels on the FRS at the time when I made that. So it's well over a year old. It's been washed a million times. It's been beat up out here a million times, and it still works great. So it's perfect for what we need it to do. Yeah, I can't get fades and multicolors. Well, I can kind of do multicolors. But, yeah, that's not the thing that I'm talking about. So, the problem was my heat press. I didn't have a heat press that heated evenly enough. So when you pressed it down, the pressure just really wasn't that even. So, ordered a clamshell. A really nice, you know, clamp down clamshell. It does not have that auto open feature. To get the auto open feature was double the price. So I ordered the lower version of that said heat press, and I think it'll work great. So as far as we're concerned right now, we're gonna move forward with doing it ourselves. Remember, I've been in this business, stickers. I was in it literally, I guess full time you could say. Well, actually it was full time. It was me and I had 2 employees for 5 years. And then I got out of it, and I still do it all the time. It's just as a hobby, my own stuff, friends stuff, club stuff like that. And they have been begging me to go ahead and start doing the t-shirts because I did a couple test things and it just all boiled down to the issue with my heat press. Borrowed a heat press from a friend and it works fine. So, I bought one. Like I said, I bought one. Screw it. What this will do is actually allow us to give away more. And I think that's cool. To do the kind of, I don't know what you want to call it, limited run shirts where it's for giveaway only. So this first one, we might actually be giving away more than we initially thought, because we thought we thought there would be certain investment to get those 3 t-shirts, me one, Marina one, and the winner one. So we might actually pick 2 winners instead, and then a couple other winners for like sticker packs. But everyone will get sticker packs. That's whatever. I'll batch make those. So remember, couples therapy videos, 1,000 subscribers, we will draw. If we draw your name out and you've commented, it's unique commenter per video. I burnt the living hell out of myself, by the way. Unique commenter per video, couples therapy only. We will pull those. Now, if, say, you win and you're not in the subscriber list, you get tossed out. Gotta subscribe. So, thank you all for watching. I'm gonna go in and shower because grinding metal, dirty metal, and everything, I am covered in crap. And I gotta take a picture because I'm redrawing the t-shirt.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school. So you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.